Hello guys and welcome back to another David About episode. And today, this is going to be a big series that I'm going to make today. Today I'm going to make a big app, a pretty big app, and it's going to take like probably multiple days to make. So, the reason why I'm showing you the over revenue of top 10 apps is because I want to try to make an app, but it's actually good. So I decided to choose these 10 apps. We got Netflix, Tinder, Tencent Video, IQ, IYI, YouTube, Pandora, Yoko, Bumble, LinkedIn, Hulu. Most of the apps I don't even know that exist. I don't even know that they're available in the App Store, in the Play Store. By the way, I'm using Android. But after looking at the 10 apps, I decided to go probably one of the most controversial streaming apps, Netflix. So, my goal is to try to make Netflix, but it's actually good. So let us get started. First of all, we need to try to name our app. So the goal is to try to make something that is original, but still similar to that app name. So I decided, and I thought of like 10 minutes, for the perfect app name. Webfilm. Webfilm. I know this sounds pretty bad, but trust me, it's more original than these ripoff things. Let me show you. I took a screenshot, I typed in ripoff Netflix, and the first thing I got was Nestflix, which is very similar to Netflix. Making it look unoriginal and nearly identical to Netflix. So I didn't choose that name. I didn't even think about that name. I also found that there is Webflix. And you can see that there's Webflix. Yeah, I tried Webflix, and for me, it was not original enough. Like, it is original, but not original enough. You can see here, I could go to Webflix right now. And you can see top rated. It's just like a rated thing on.
If you're looking to make the coolest AI animal hybrid art, then look no further
These are
than the Night Cafe.
I don't care about this. They just give you trailers for the top most voted things.
What do you know about this recall?
Yeah, you can see a very cool movie. So yeah, that is the little ripoff things. Gosh. So yeah, that is what I want. So that's why I named it Webfilm. Because there's these ripoff things, so Webflix, Nestflix, something Flix, I'm Flix, David Flix, Computer Flix. Yeah, there's a billion names, something Flix. So yeah, I'm done talking about the names. Now comes the reason why I actually want to make Webfilm. And these are these 3 reasons. Quantity over quality control, and content remover. Critics often argued that Netflix prioritizes a high volume of original content, which can result in a lack of quality control or a stylistic homogeneity across many shows and movies. Additionally, the platform is known for frequently removing licensed movies as series as contracts expire, often moving from rival streaming services, which can be frustrating for users. Frequent price increases and ads. Netflix's subscription costs have risen over time, making it more expensive than many competitors. The introduction of ad-supported tier also means the customers now have to pay more for an ad-free experience, a feature that was once standard for all subscribers. And finally, aggressive show cancellations, a major point of contention contagion for many fans is Netflix's tendency to cancel beloved shows. Even critically acclaimed ones like Mindhunter or Santa Clara Diet after just a few seasons. The company's private viewership metrics make it more difficult for fans to understand why the show was cancelled, leading to negative feedback loop where some viewers are hesitant to start a new Netflix series at all. So that is the reason why I want to make web film. So now it is time to go to the success criteria, and there's 2 categories of success criteria. The first thing is core features. Fast content library, original and licensed. Netflix transitioned from a content distributor to a major studio, offering a massive selection of both licensed shows and movies like its own high-quality exclusive Netflix originals like Stranger Things. This continuous supply of diverse content is a significant draw for subscribers globally. Personalization and recommendation engine. Utilizing advanced data analytics and algorithms, Netflix tailors the user experience by suggesting relevant videos, organizing content into personalized rows, and even customizing the artwork display for each title. This data-driven personalization enhances user engagement and helps users discover new content effortlessly. And the seamless streaming/multi multi-platform access, it's very difficult to make. I know it's very difficult. I don't know if I can make this, but I know it's very difficult. So that's the core features. The second one is bad content removal. And what I mean bad content removal is like bad content, like stuff that's bad on Netflix. And the goal is to make quality over quantity. Because it says quantity over quality because of high volume of original content, which can be a lack of quality control. People don't like shitty movies. And yeah, that is bad. Frequent price increases and ads. Yeah, what we want is how do I say it? No subscriptions and no ads. Netflix subscription costs. Yeah. So you can see that people are criticizing over like moving the subscriptions. Like it's just, even you own a subscription, you still get ads apparently. So you need to pay more money so you can get still get no ads and good viewing. That is pretty bad. And aggressive show cancellations, I'll never do that. So I'll never do that. Which is really good. Which is really good so people don't have to move streaming services every once in a month. So now comes the UI. So you can see in this picture, there's five tabs: search, home, shows, movies, and my Netflix. And you can see like little categories like my list or continue watching, which is cool. You can also see like a account center and the Netflix logo. Gosh, this screen recording thing, and this Netflix thing. And you can also see the genre, you could also see the drama, the genre, drama, genre, whatever you say it. The year that it has been made, limited series. I don't know what limited series means, so I'm just not gonna include it in my app. And finally, the age rating. And and you can see a little description in the bottom. You can see others like TV shows / movies you liked. You can in the home tab you can see only on Netflix and romantic mood boosters, automatic mood boosters. I don't know what it says. It's either automatic, it probably says automatic. And your next watch today's top picks for you. And also, I have Netflix on my TV, so I can like look here for like more detail. I can see like what the search thing looks like, or like show. I'm not gonna include shows or movies because they're bad. And games. I am not gonna include games, which is either new because you can see that there's no games over here, but in these three slides there is a game tab. So I'm not gonna include shows, movies, games. But my Netflix is just for like more functionality. And that's literally it for the slideshow. So yeah. That's what I want. So that is the success criteria and the reasons why I want to make web film. Now to show you the actual Netflix. Let's look at what Netflix is like. You can see that it has 1 billion downloads. 1 billion. So that means 1/8 of the population has Netflix. Or even like 1/4 because of like TVs and other stuff. Like, it could be minimum probably more than 2 billion people have Netflix. But you can see the star rating is not that good. That's why I want to make it my app to make it like more than 4.5 stars. And now to see people why they're hating on Netflix. Wow, just wow. The app won't let me play anything unless I agree to the price tag on my Netflix account. Yeah, that thing. No subscriptions, no ads. App sucks without the ability to cast to a device. I'm not gonna make that. It's just way too hard. Like, it will take like probably months to even learn and create that. Months. That's why I'm not gonna do cast to DP and device. So, yeah. So now here's my like personal goals. Here's my personal goals for the app. Like I said, I want to make this 4.5 stars or more. So that means people love the app and want more. But also, I also want at least 1,000 downloads. That is like, for you and me, it's absolute, like, it's way too little. 1,000 downloads, like, very bad. Like you could say like 100,000 downloads, but that would be like way too much. I just want like 1,000 downloads. And probably that is it for the goals. So, thank you for watching Devlog episode 0 of making web film, yeah. And I'll try to make like more Devlog videos in like the future. I'll probably finish this in like February 1st or 2nd, like early February. I'll finish it. So, thanks for watching this David Kabawa Devlog video. Please subscribe for more videos, and see ya!